guys, here's Madam OK. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being a part of it. If you enjoy watching the videos, please don't forget to subscribe as well as to hit the like button. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye! Hello guys, here's Madam OK and today I will teach you how to paint beautiful flower from close-up. So for our purpose I want to have just one flower and place it slightly under the angle. So that would be my center and I want to have those beautiful, maybe even a little bit bigger, so you see very rounded, and then I will have one pattern coming very much on the side. Then I will have another one, let's see, coming here, then another one probably here. Remember, everything can change. There's not such things that we have to keep everything the way how we drew. We are very much open to any possible changes, okay? So this is coming there. I think we need another one somewhere here coming over the edge. I like this idea of coming over the edge and the patterns overlapping each other. Definitely another one there. There will be another one here and maybe another one there, and having some more on the sides. And guys, we are ready to paint. The color that I want to use as a base for my flower will be the pink color, and I have here a color called it could be quinacridone red. Mine is primary rose, and as you can see it's very pinkish and I like it like this. So remember, we're going with the working on the pattern. We want to have slightly darker color coming towards the center and then lighter coming on the top. So I'm going into the center partially, and the reason for it is that I want to make sure that even when I put separate parts of the center, I still will be able to see the color of the pattern coming through. So as you can see, the color becomes darker going to the center. Again, very important information, and I still would apply some other colors in those sections, like even a little bit of purple into it. And I want to introduce this darker color, a little bit of purple inside. I'm not so sure if I like it so much, then I would introduce different purple like this. Okay, and this is coming. Yeah, I also want to have already my center. I want to see it a little bit more, and then certainly coming here and there with my beautiful patterns. See, separating some of them, dragging them here and there. Very good. Good. Then a little bit darker in the center again. And then I have to also think about the color of the background. Maybe the blue, because it's blue is always a nice color. I can also think about this kind of greenish color as well. And you know what? I will apply it and I will see how I like it. I can always add some other colors to it. Already at this stage, I want to make sure that when I will go with the rest of my patterns, when I will continue, I will have already color there, and there will be no white spots left. So as you can see, that will be my base color. I can simply very easily change it to another color. And then I can also introduce this color a little bit into my flower, exactly into the center. I can think about introducing blue, and there will be the cobalt in some of the sections so that the color is not unifyingly one. We don't want to have really texture. We don't want to have a super dark, like strong contrast, though we need a little bit of the variety. The next combination that we want to use is white mixed with pink. Right now, I will just use purely white. Try not to touch the green. See, like this. If it happens, I have to make sure that I will clean up my brush. Whoa, you see? Good. The colors blend a little bit. Fantastic. Great. I'm going with more paint. Ooh la la. Coming to the edges. Fantastic. Good. Washing my brush because I don't think it's clean anymore. Then I want to apply a little bit of this lovely color on the pattern that moves. It's turned in. So definitely lighter on the top, and then we have to get it darker on the bottom. But I have white already, so it's good. I can blend it, mix it together, create this fantastic melange. Little bit of it here, little bit of it there. And then let's see, still a little bit more, definitely this section. Okay, like really having fun. Okay, moving. Wow, look at this! So much fun! For sure, a little bit darker. And I mixed it too much with the blue, so I have to be careful because that's not our intention, right? See, the color gets a little bit, but maybe it will work for our patterns. Who knows? I'm just going with the flow, right? Like this. Okay, fantastic. Then, what we want to have, I think we want to have a little bit of this lighter purple and work with it. And also, I think I want to have some yellow here. Oh yeah. See what the yellow does? It just makes this very interesting center of the flower. Wow. And then you can bring some purple, because the purple will make out of the yellow brownish color. See, like this. And then when I want to have my yellow back, then I need to make sure that it has white in it. Otherwise, that's a very light color, and it will not do everything what I want. So I can apply a little bit heavier yellow, and then I apply white into it, and then again yellow. So you see, like this, and like this, and like this, like this, like this. Okay? Very good. And then I need some to move it, and I need to bring some of those beautiful strokes also on the outer part. Okay, so we'll let it dry a little bit, and then we'll come back to work on it. Okay, so you see, still I'm mixing the colors, and even this yellow does need to have some white, otherwise it won't have the strength by itself to go on top of all the colors and stay yellow. It will just blend with other ones. Fantastic. So you see, I bring some of the purple here, and I will really emphasize what I want to emphasize. Good. Now my other color that I want to introduce into this flower is red. Pure red, cotton red medium, to strengthen the beauty of my color. Because the other one that I used was the kind of quinacridone red or permanent rose. It's a very nice color to work on the paintings of flower paintings or portraits of kids, but if we want to have a really strong color, red would be a better choice. Even alizarin crimson. Okay, like you can see it. See, it becomes really powerful. Okay, the same. Could be a little bit more powerful in this section, definitely darker. There. And then I will introduce some yellow. some of it will come here as well, and then a little bit on the other side. So you can see it's coming. What else do I want to have? Well, I want to bring some other colors into my painting. Certainly purple has to come, as you can see there, especially on this side, and then definitely on this side, just underneath of the one turned up pattern. Wow, look at this. See, I have to still introduce more white, because I think that the white is very necessary here and there. Definitely those are those very important patterns, and I can still shape them for sure, and I will come see in this section, and then it's okay, some of those paints will blend, but that's okay. So you see the purple will come to me. I really like what's going on here. See, the same place can come over the edge, or actually we have an edge there. This one, I want to turn it too. I want to bring a little bit of this purple into my flower, the lighter one. We don't want to have it all over the painting. Well, I mean, we want to have it in certain parts, but not necessarily on every single pattern. Wow, look at this, the richness. Ooh, I love it. I love what is going on. The same here. We need to really present it. See, and receding back, and receding back. See, I use a little bit more. And this actually is nothing wrong with this color, because I have to make sure that it works well for our painting. So when I apply it, to make sure. See, like this, and then definitely like this. Okay, having those varieties and enjoying them. Wow. Then, because we have those colors here, this purple is opaque, so I can definitely apply it on and then work with the colors, getting my center completed. It's not yet, but it's coming. So let's see what we can do. And I love the blue, so I can still play with it here and there. See, just strengthening. It's boring here, so I can get a little bit more. Fantastic. So another thing which I want to add here will be a little bit of the green, believe me or not, and especially in the center. This time I will be using the Naples color that I will mix with white, because I want to get you will see a color that is called Naples. But I do, let's see, where I want to have it, I have to ask myself, and I think it will be okay to have like a transition color almost. You see, it just does something to the painting, makes it more colorful, more beautiful. So by applying the color the way I'm doing it right now, bringing some of this yellow ochre color, it will help the painting look better, because when you mix it with, for example, with pink, it gives you a beautiful, very naturally looking pink. See, like this one here. So it just we all benefit from having it like this. Now I can bring some of this beautiful blue that we have also in the background, but I don't want to have it all over. So my idea will be to bring it here and there. See, now just on the side, on the bottom part. Good, and then I think I can also introduce it a little bit into my center. Okay, and then you see I have to transfer the color from there to the other section, and I'm okay with it. I don't mind it. When accidents happen, that means that I have to learn how to incorporate them, and usually it works very well for me, so I'm not afraid. I still think that in the center we can be a little bit more specific with the colors. I want to change it a little bit. Okay, I think we can get a little bit more of some other colors, and I'm just thinking which one would work really well here, and I don't know. I have to think about it. Which one? So in the center I think I will place purple, and then I will place a lighter color. So you see, like this. I think that would be okay. So just the center. What we put in the center? Should we put yellow? And if we put yellow actually would be a good choice, but it has to be perfectly placed. And then white, one dot of white will do it. Okay, somewhere here into it. See, and then a little bit of it here. And then I apply the other yellow. See, that's this one we apply. Okay, so I think we are done. You can just look here for some other elements, and I think we are. So we have to just give up, because I never can finish painting. See, at a certain point I have to say myself, that's it, because otherwise I will work and work and work. Fantastic. So just add more on this side, a little bit, still a little bit more of that here. Since I have the white, I will, oh my goodness, it fall down. For me, I didn't intend to do it. So now, since I have it, and well, I have to use it like this. Now, still a little bit more of the white. Okay, the same will be here. See, just don't be afraid. Go and apply the paint. Be thick. So we have a little bit of the blue. I like actually the idea of the blue. But we have the blue that is very powerful, and this is the one that we have to be very careful, because this is the blue that can kill the painting or make it looking fantastic. So you have to be a little bit on the watch. See, the same here. Yep, and I really think we can call it quite. I still will add some of those stronger colors here and there, and we really have to finish it. So guys, I think we are done. Thank you for being with me and working on it together, and I hope now that you will have a chance to work on your own painting of a flower. Have a good day and see you next time. Bye!